The Portugal D7 visa. Your golden ticket to living in Portugal, no job offer needed. The D7 visa lets retirees and those with regular passive income live in Portugal, even without a local job offer. To qualify, you'll need to prove a minimum passive income, often from pensions, rent, investments, or remote work. You must also show you have enough savings to support yourself while living in Portugal for at least a year. A clean criminal record from your home country is required for your D7 visa application. Start by gathering all the necessary documents: ID, income proof, health insurance, and a Portuguese address. Next, apply for your Portuguese NIF, the essential tax number you'll need for most official paperwork. Book your appointment at the Portuguese consulate in your country. Submit your application and all required forms in person. Attend your in-person interview at the consulate and ensure your paperwork is complete and organized for approval. With the D7 visa, you'll receive Portuguese residency, unlocking a new life in one of Europe's safest countries. Enjoy access to quality healthcare and public services in Portugal. After receiving your resident status, you'll also get freedom to travel across the Schengen area. Visit 26 European countries visa-free with your residency card. A common mistake: submitting incomplete paperwork. Double-check that every required document is included before your appointment. Don't underestimate processing times. Start early. Visa approval can take weeks or even months, depending on your location. Ready for a new chapter? Could the D7 visa be your pathway to a fresh start in beautiful Portugal?